Yesterday, I made a video, or I think maybe 2 days ago or so. It's on this channel. I made a video showing you how to create news videos or news content using an app called InVideo AI. Now, I told you in that video that the easiest way to get a new page monetized on YouTube, on Facebook, on TikTok is through news channel. Now, you could do whatever you have been doing, but you need another platform to get more money. Don't rely on one niche and don't rely on one source. The good thing about news content is that you can monetize it on any platform, YouTube. In fact, it is the easiest way to start getting money from social media platforms. Guys, if you have not watched that video, go and look for it. How to make AI video. It's on this platform, it's on this channel, it's on this page. Now, today, I created a brand new Facebook page because I like demonstration. When I talk about something, I like to show that it actually works. So I created a new news page on Facebook, and I'm going to show this to you guys. And I want you guys to follow it and see how it grows. You can also create your own today, and let's grow together. And you're gonna watch that page grow and get monetized, and it's gonna grow 10 times faster than this one. Watch it and see organically, because we are talking about what is trending right now. Okay, guys, so the name of the page is, as you can see, is Now Breaking News Today. Now Breaking News Today. Right now, it only has 4 followers, and one of those followers is me. My profile, I use my new Facebook profile to follow it, and as you can see, I only have one, apart from the thumbnail that I created, the photo, my profile photo that I created, which is Now Breaking News Today. The other thing I've posted is the one video. And now you can also see how I made this video, how it looked like, and I have given you detail how to make this kind of video on the video I made. Was it yesterday or 2 days ago? So I posted this video and already has 1,300 views. Now, if I post video here, sometimes, because I just started like 2 days ago too, sometimes I get like 30, 100 views or 300. But this one, yesterday night, already got 1,300 views. You know why? Because I posted what people are talking about now. I posted up geopolitics, things that is happening between the United States and Iran. So guys, follow this page, Now Breaking News Today, and watch how it grow. It will motivate you to go and start now. What are you still doing? Start your content creations journey today. Or if you already are in it, go and start a new channel. Add to what you already have. Add more niche. Add more pages. If one page get problem, at least you have another one as a backup. Guys, I thank you for watching, and I want you to share this video, comment. All you got to do for me is say thank you, sir, on the comment. Just write something. Motivate me to give you more content on daily basis. I will be giving you more content on daily basis regardless. So I thank you, and I see you on the next one.